Alright, it's March 23rd, and we are up Poorman Creek. We're doing an extended compression test. We're standing on approximately 15 feet of snow right now. We're going to see how safe it is to ski today.
In attendance, Mr. Blue.
We got Blue.
We got Blue Dog.
Mr. Greg T.
Fourth time out.
Stuart Barney. And myself, Jared Phoenix.
Will be your host today. Do you want me to pull this one from a wider angle?
Yeah. I gotta hold this probe out, dude. It's kind of short.
Yeah.
Listen, dude.
For sure.
And
Holy shit.
that was the sound of an avalanche going off right there.
That was caught.
Holy
that little bit of sound.
That was sounding huge. I'm actually kind of getting terrified here.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm about ready to call it a day.
You gotta pull it down too.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's far enough now. I can just do it.
Okay.
Alright, so we're isolating an area here to do our test on. We're on about a maybe 38 to 40 degree slope.
Prime avalanche terrain.
Holy fuck. If that was caught.
Yeah, that was loud. Thunder like hitting shit.
That was scary, dude.
There was no other noise to compete with it.
I think it might be easier if you have Greg get down there with you and pull that other side.
It's going pretty quick. Yeah.
Listen, dude.
Just dig in a little more. Keep going. I wonder how far down it went in the back.
I don't know. It feels like here. Let's pull them straight.
Is it? Alright. Not on my side though.
Yeah. It'll make it go too much.
Hold on here a minute.
I think we're about 3 feet down.
Ready? Here we go. Go ahead. Pull a little farther on your side. Keep going. Yeah, keep.
I just don't have any room to pull.
I know.
I gotta
There we
dig
go.
out some more. I gotta dig it out more.
Alright. Probably down far enough.
Yeah.
Let's hope that wasn't the slope right by our camp and it just buried all our shit.
No, we'd be right back down with it. One that big.
Alright, shovel.
Alright. And looks like we're ready to do the test here. And I am sinking up to my crotchles in snow.
Alright.
So we can saw down.
Got a whorl area here. And then there's one storm. That's from the other night.
This was probably last night?
Uh-huh.
Gotcha.
Alright, shovel.
Oh, you mean that snow that buried me in my sleeping bag?
Yeah. That would be it.
Alright, first go at the wrist. Oh boy, there's a layer.
There's a quality 1 shear with really easy, but it's only maybe 8-10 inches down. Wouldn't do too much damage, but it could knock you over or propagate down lower and make an even bigger avalanche.
Yeah.
So my elbow. See how it popped out like that right there?
Yep. Just that little bit.
There's that layer again.
Wanna jump on it yet?
No shear below that. Quality 3 shear there with a medium propagation. I'm gonna try really hard with my fist. Ah, bogey. Looks good. That layer again. Pretty easy. Let's see if we can get anything deeper to slide.
There you go.
There we go.
That's the one we're worried about.
Though. Yeah, a lot of force though. But it had a quality 2 shear, it looks like. It's not too bad. It's not perfectly plain. Has some dips and chunks pulled out. Seems like it's settling on this aspect.
That's not showing anything.
And I can't even fucking get it to budge below that. This aspect seems good. It sounded like
Yeah, everything's been
avalanche
sliding on the
side over there.
north face over there, yeah.
Yeah. We might be generally safe here.
Oh yeah?
Other than that top couple layers right there. That's all it takes.
Well, there you have it. An extended compression test.